Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video regarding NMC bill in Madhya Pradesh, we are going to talk about because the private medical colleges management there have decided to put a court case against 42.5% seats in the private medical colleges in Madhya Pradesh to be put on the government tuition fee. Okay, so I'll discuss in detail about it. Okay, and before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and our paid counseling slots are still available. You can avail the guidance. Okay, so a few days back on 14th, when the counseling schedule report published from Madhya Pradesh, it was mentioned there officially that on 42.5% seats, means 15% seats are NRI and remaining 85% seats, 50% of remaining 85% seats, that is 42.5% seats, will have a tuition fee same equivalent as government medical college tuition fee. It was confirmed officially, but as per the today's headline in the Dainik Bhaskar newspaper, which is from Madhya Pradesh in Bhopal, the private college management are going against this NMC bill, which is implemented in Madhya Pradesh, going to court case. Okay, so definitely it's going to be on hold, and the NMC won't be implemented in Madhya Pradesh. Let me tell you some of the important facts about this article. Okay, FRC is the fee regulatory authority. Okay, had decided the fee for 2022-23 for MDMS government seat. Okay, minimum fee uh, for MDMS, okay, is 13.5 lakhs and maximum is 16 lakhs, and for non-clinical 7.5 lakhs, maximum is 9.5 lakhs. Last year, the fee is decided as per FRC. Okay, and it's all based on the total expense uh, incurred to the college, and on the 42.5% tuition fee, seats, the fee will be doubled. Okay, and college has to provide the 42.5% remaining seats on government tuition fee. The middle class families, candidates will have like a very difficult time getting admission. Even after getting good rank, they won't be able to get the colleges in Madhya Pradesh private due to its fee, high fee. Okay, so against it, the college management has gone to court. Okay, basically DME was nothing but the counseling body and authority there, which is part of government of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so it's very clear now. So far, just one state, Madhya Pradesh, where we got confirmation about NMC, that also now court case will be there against it. So it will be on hold. So it looks like there won't be NMC in any of the states or national level counseling. The national level counseling MCC registration already going, today is the second day, and there is no notion of NMC there during the registration. Okay, so how come they will implement the NMC if they haven't given the criteria and rules to get eligible for NMC, and how can they register it? Okay, so it's very clear that NMC is not coming in all India, and in other states also, wherever the notification is out, it's not mentioned about there is no mention about NMC. And one state, an MP, which has the notion about NMC, the colleges are going against it in the court. Okay, so we can assume as of now there is no NMC this year. Okay, in any of the state. Okay, so I'll update if there is any update about NMC in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, if any court, any official notification comes from DME, or if there is any NMC update regarding any other state. Until then, goodbye and take care. Have a nice day.